All right, Mom, I got a proposition for you. What do you say if I cook Christmas dinner this year for everybody?
Well, that would be really nice. What are you making?
Oh, there's a little bit of a stipulation. The main ingredients are coming from a vending machine. We're at the Boozy Pig in Tampa, Florida. It's a local butcher here, but this year they've mixed it up. You can get meat out of a vending machine, but I'm mixing it up too. I'm making Christmas dinner out of a vending machine. Let's do it. I think what we're gonna do is get a couple pounds of ground beef and make some meatloaf for the family.
Thank you, and goodbye.
One thing that is pretty cool, I noticed when you vend an item in this machine, it's definitely, you can feel the refrigeration, but when you open this flap here, the bottom lifts up. So if you have an item that drops down, it actually pushes it up for you. And there's a spring system inside, it looks like, that makes it a lot easier to get your items out of the machine. Apparently Tampa Bay is ahead of the game when it comes to vending machines. We're still in Tampa and we found a cupcake shop that has a cupcake ATM. It's not a vending machine, but it's close. What are you doing? We got cupcakes to buy.
Hey, let's go.
Alright, we got the goods. Looks really good. This one is red velvet. This one's chocolate marshmallow. This one's dark chocolate. And this one's chocolate peppermint. Looks really fresh. Can't wait to eat them. Alright, we picked up our meat yesterday from the vending machine. We've got our family meatloaf recipe. All of our ingredients. Let's get to it. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. Man, these things really give little Debbie a run for her money.
My finger looking good.
Alright, I think that meal went really well. And I will say it was super convenient to not have to go into a store. I would definitely say the quality is better than your average grocery store ground beef. The cupcakes were a huge hit too. If you guys are in the Tampa Bay area, I would definitely recommend checking out these two locations. I'll put a link in the description below. And while you're there, smash that like button. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more vending content.